Hi everyone, this is Reddy from CarzSpa Hyderabad. I am the founder of the CarzSpa. We have visited one Jeep Compass vehicle for paint professional film treatment. We have five types of PPF and PPF. Basically starts from 300 rupees SFT, that is a Chinese one. Second one is a Super Guard series that will charge 500, 600, 700 rupees SFT. These are Super Guard S, Super Guard Plus, Super Guard Pro, and second one is an Expel that will charge 800 rupees SFT. And the last one is instant self-healing one. There is a GVent. We charge around 1000 rupees plus taxes. The main benefit with the PPF is that will protect the regular bumper to bumper damages and stone chips. And the PPF all are and self-healing PPF that will protect it like daily. We get what we get on the car like film marks on the car that will protect it with the PPF. These are the self-healing PPF, so that is the reason they have self-healing and nano-coated films. If you choose the white vehicle, please choose the 700 or 800 Super Guard Pro or Expel or GVN films. Or else you can choose other than white car, you can choose 500, 600 series, that is enough for any car. Generally, these charges are 300 rupees to 1000 rupees. Please see the complete video process, and if you like the content, please subscribe our channel or like the channel. Thank you. Please see the complete video process, and if you like the content, please subscribe our channel or like the channel. Thank you.